Why does your scanner show the P2199 engine code? What does it mean? P2199 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature sensor 1 or 2 correlation. This engine code indicates that the PCM has recognized the voltage readings from sensor 1, and 2 are repeatedly not agreeing with each other or are out of range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IIT sensor. Wiring and connection issues. PCM issues. Intake air leaks. Restricted air filters. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996, like Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.